So this is the new AI presentation maker, and it is so easy to make. This is called slidesgpt.com, and all you have to do is type in a prompt, and there you have it. You now have a free PowerPoint. So, how do you type in a prompt, or what do you even do in the prompt? Well, let's say you have a presentation on a science subject. You could say something like, make me a PowerPoint slide for my science class. Let's say your subject is about volcanoes. You could say something like, explain volcanoes, how they form, and the types of volcanoes. You could do something like that. Or if you want to, make a presentation about your product or your business, you could do that as well by giving the bot details about your product and what you want it to explain. And it's going to make it in, like, let's say 5 minutes, which is not a lot compared to if you were doing it yourself, which would probably take hours and hours. So, if you want to create slides, that's pretty much all you have to do. You could also change the theme to a white or purple. There's not much difference, it just changes the theme. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is called slidesgpt.com, and that's all there is to this video. Now, I hope you have your fun, and I hope you enjoy making your slides with this website because I assure you it is very, very easy and it is free. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.